What's up guys, welcome back to another Kicks Fix video. So for this video I have a recent pickup, which is one I wanted to get since I restored one for the homie Q. I've seen him before, also had him in hand, but really spending that much time with him, like that close, I don't know. I just kind of fell in love with the pair and was kind of on the lookout for them, not really searching, but thought like, if I find them for a really nice price, I'll definitely get them. So here they are in a nice old Nike box, the two-tone box. So it's a 9.5, which actually is a bit large, but I wear them with the sneaker shields in because they have some creasing going on the right side. So for the colorway, it's the black shock orange anthracite. And it's the Huarache pack. It came with the Terra Huarache and this one, Storm Huarache. So it's OG all, OG shoe trees, OG arch support and OG tissue paper. So here they are. Super happy I got them. I got them from this dude on Marktplaats. He had a lot of crazy kicks listed, like the Elephant Atmos Air Max 1, the Animal, Tech Spider Pack, homegrown 90s, and all for super good prices, like half of what you would pay at any other retail or resale or consignment store. So yeah, those prices were really good. If I had the money, I would definitely get all the shoes he had listed, but I ain't that rich, unfortunately, so I could only buy one, but still super happy with this one. So I think the colorway is a bit derived from the Storm Air Max 1 that released in 2002, even though that was, I think, a different kind of orange. This was the Shark Orange and that was, I'm not sure which orange that was. But yeah man, to get into this pair, so the toe box has this real nice soft leather, super soft. Actually the right side is pretty creased up, but I always fill them with tissue paper. I make the filler as big as the whole toe box is, so the whole shoe is filled up, which in my opinion also is better than just shoe trees. Except for when you have like the wooden shoe trees that you can adjust in width and also in length. But like the IKEA ones, if you put them in, the whole, like half of the toe box gets filled and the other half like falls in. So like you kind of are like deforming your toe boxes. And sometimes I also see like, I don't know, probably a men's filler in a women's shoe, like boing, like this. Man, if you want to wreck your shoes, do that. Just get some tissue paper at the department stores and just make a ball, a little like the shape of the toe box, stuff it in, check if the whole toe box is filled, and then you're just good to go. So back to the materials. The whole mud guard is like super soft suede. You can see me flipping it back and forth like ooh wee. That's some soft shit right there. Then the underlay panel right here, I think it's, I know it's like leathery, but feels a little bit like the grip tape leather they used on the grip tape dunks, but I think a lot of Air Max 1 heads are not really into dunks, which is fine though, but for me it all started with dunks. So yeah man, the inside is also leather, even the back of the tongue. Like I said, I got them for a really good price and the dude was super nice. Of course now I'm searching for the Terra Huarache to make the pack complete. Also, I'm not sure in which pack the Spanish moss belongs, but it might as well could have been in this pack because I think it has the same materials used on the same panels, and I don't know, just the colorway, it kind of resembles the Terra Huarache a little bit. but I guess it was a different pack. But once I have the Terra Huarache, I'm pretty sure I'm also gonna want the Spanish Moss, just to, even though it's not officially a pack, just to get it together. But okay, enough talking now, let's get straight into the on-feed shots. Alright, so those were the on-feed shots. It was really cold again, so I was battling the cold for y'all to make some cool shots. I hope y'all liked it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, share, all those things. And have a nice day, and I'll see you next week. Deuces!